Understanding the bottom line in English. Hello, everyone. Today, we're diving into a very interesting and widely used phrase in the English language, the bottom line. This expression is not just about finances, as some might think. It carries a lot of weight in everyday conversations, negotiations, and discussions. So, let's explore what it really means, how to use it, and why it's important for English language learners like you. The phrase, the bottom line, originally comes from the world of accounting, where it refers to the final total on a statement showing profit or loss. It is the last line in the financial statement that shows whether a company made a profit or had a loss. Over time, this term has been adopted into everyday language to mean the most important fact in a situation, the crucial point, or the main thing to consider. When we use the bottom line in everyday conversation or in business contexts outside of accounting, we're usually referring to the essence or core point of what we're discussing. Here are a few examples of how it can be used. In a business meeting, the bottom line is we need to increase our sales to stay competitive. In a personal advice context, the bottom line is that you need to do what's best for you. In a negotiation, so, the bottom line is, what's the best price you can offer? It's a way to cut through the details and get to the most important aspect of the conversation. Understanding and using the bottom line effectively can greatly improve your communication skills, especially in professional settings. It helps you summarize complex information into a single, digestible point, clarify your position or the main issue at hand, focus discussions on the most critical aspects. This phrase is a powerful tool for making your communication clearer and more impactful, whether you're speaking or writing in English. That's all for today's exploration of the phrase, the bottom line. We've seen its origins, how to use it in different contexts, and why it's such an important expression to understand and incorporate into your English communication. I hope this video has been helpful and has added a valuable tool to your English language toolbox. Remember, the bottom line is to keep practicing and expanding your vocabulary every day. See you in the next video.